60-dome Mosque, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a mosque in Bangladesh, the largest in the country from the Sultanate period. It contains a total of 77 domes, from which its name originates. Shat Gumbuj is one of the largest mosques and represents the flavor of the traditional Orthodox mosque plan, and it is the only example of its kind in the whole of Bengal. The original picturesque location and the natural setting of these densely located religious and secular monuments, along with the medieval form and design, are intact. The north and south ends of this three-domed rectangular mosque are each marked by two enormous double-storied corner pavilions. On the east are three cusped entrance arches, flanked by shallow niches. The river Tughlaq, on which the picturesque structure was standing even a few decades back, has now moved nearly a kilometer away due to silt encroachment by filling up and change of course. The single-domed mosque, known as the Singar Mosque, is quite small in size compared to the other mosques, featuring walls with ribbed bricks and a single huge dome. If you love history and culture, then this destination is perfect for you.